I'm not a maker, I'm not an artist. This is not what I do. I just wanted to create this thing. I'm Brenda Wells, and I am a volunteer for the Florida Springs Institute. And I thought that the Derby would be the perfect place to put the Institute in front of a lot of people. The Derby was like really cool and I loved it. And when I thought about what we could build as a Derby bike that would connect with the Springs, when we decided on Turtle, that was sort of it. There was no other option. To come up with the concept is one thing, and then when you get in there and start trying to make something that really works, that was a lot more time consuming. Workshops that I went to, that's where it started to fit together. There was someone there to help me figure out exactly how do you take something that was built to just get from point A to point B to carry something like a human and a turtle and not fall over or fall apart. And I learned how to weld.
Stability, but you don't have to worry about it. It's not going to hurt you. It's not going to hurt anyone.
And we had cardboard boxes, and we had glue, and we had newspapers and paint, but we hadn't started yet. And we didn't know, how do we turn this big box into a turtle shell? Because we didn't have a blueprint, we didn't have a plan. We just kind of had to dive in and start making it. I think that was the hardest moment. And the two people who helped me out, Callie and Gwen, were so talented. It was their vision that really brought it together. The major payoff was the turtle made people approach me, and then they would look at the sign and say, you know, I've never heard of this place, it sounds cool, what is it? And then the door was open to have that conversation.